Now, I wouldn't say I've got a syrup problem, but I just love having flavoured coffees, even sometimes flavoured tea as well. It's really nice. So I've been getting the syrups from Amazon and also from the local shops as well, but they just don't look as aesthetic as I'd like. Decided to invest in some of these pumped glass bottles with labels. I've never had them before, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. Let's get this opened up and take a look. Now, I think this comes in either a pack of 2 or 4. I just went for the 2 for now. And in the box, you get your little labels. So I'm sure you're going to be pretty much covered. Or if you're not covered, you're going to be close enough. There are some really crazy flavours there, so you're not going to probably get everything. But it's a good start. It does come in this foam protection, so no smack. So everything's intact. So you've got your 2 glass bottles. Nice, really thick. They're kind of like apothecary. I can't say that. The apothecary style. They're nice and thick. Really nice thick bottoms. Look at that. This one has got a bottle washer in it. Oh, that's good. So you can get right to the bottom with a fluffy end. The 2 straws for the pump. The little guide here. Also a spoon. You get like a silicone funnel, which is going to be really handy if you're a bit messy like me, which is a collapsible one. So it can store away for when you need to use it again. And then you've got your 2 pumps. This is the thing I've been a bit concerned about, how quality they are. If you're a bit heavy-handed like myself, are they going to cope? These are plastic, but they are metal coated. That's nice and smooth. I think with this, it looks really nice and smooth actually. It does pump nice. And obviously you got that there, and you would insert, and you insert your, like the pump straw part there. Very nice. And that screws on nice and firm. And you got that there. So you got your 2 of those. Let's take a look at the labels. Okay, there's the first sheet there, then another. You've got those there. Pumpkin spice, love it. You've got 2 there, and then you got the 4 spares just in case you're not covered. And most you could print off your own or handwrite it on there. But unless you've got something really unusual, like I saw like Dubai chocolate, which is a wild one, you're going to be pretty much covered, I think, with all your labels. And I guess the spoon's just for your coffee experience when you stir it. Let's get these filled up. There we go. Look straight. I could have used the guide. Nice, like that. I've got my syrups. There we go. Lovely. I think this is 500 ml, so it's going to last a good amount of time. Pretty. I love them. I think they're really classy and really nice. I wish I bought more of them. I'm going to have to buy some more. How lovely. So yeah, I really think they're a really classy looking product, and I recommend them. They look really classy.